just finished assembling the GT Racing gaming chair for my son. You know, it was very hard to find because most of the gaming chair comes in leather, and this one is actually fabric. It feels very nice, very soft. Also, it comes with like a 4D armrest. I think that's what they call it. It goes up and down. It tilts in, out. It also goes in and out, which is very nice. Comes with the lumbar support pillow, the neck pillow also.
This is a video review of this gaming chair. Just want to give you a quick overview of some of the features. It has a lumbar pillow. This is a head support pillow that you can actually strap to the top. You use this lever to recline the chair, and it reclines really far back. And the armrest is adjustable. Of course, it's like a typical office chair that allows you to adjust the height. It's also really good looking. So that's a quick look. It's really comfortable. Definitely meant for long-term use. The arms also rotate. And then they adjust on height.
So here's the chair installed. I really like it. It's very comfortable. Got a pillow, and it was very easy instructions actually. Everything's labeled with the screws, so it's good. And the packaging was perfect. Everything was packaged by its own, and it's just very easy instructions. I really liked it.
This is a very comfortable chair. It comes with a pillow, really fast shipping. I recommend people buying it. It comes with this two-piece pillow, spins around, really big. I recommend